2019 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, remote engine start, stability control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, climate control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.